Ever wondered about the magic behind creating animated, minimal 3D websites? Well, today we're about to unravel that mystery. Firstly, what is a minimal website? A minimal website is a website that follows the principle of minimalism, which is a design style that emphasizes simplicity, clarity, and functionality. It's all about using the least possible elements to make the most significant impact. A minimal website aims to provide the user with a satisfying and enjoyable experience by removing any unnecessary or excessive elements that could clutter or complicate the website. A minimal website also focuses on the content and the message of the website, making sure that they are clear, concise, and compelling. It uses a lot of white space, which is the empty space between and around the elements of the website. White space helps to create a clean and elegant look and also improves the readability and usability of the website. It uses a limited color palette, usually consisting of 1 or 2 dominant colors and some accent colors. The colors are chosen to create contrast, harmony, and mood, and to highlight the most important elements of the website. It uses simple and clean typography, often using sans serif fonts that are easy to read and scan. The typography is also consistent and aligned, and it uses different sizes, weights, and styles to create hierarchy and emphasis. It uses minimal graphics, images, and animations, only using them when they are necessary or relevant to the content. The graphics, images, and animations are also optimized for web performance and responsiveness and do not distract or confuse the user. It uses clear and intuitive navigation, providing the user with easy access to the information and features they need. The navigation is also consistent and predictable, and it uses labels, icons, and menus that are easy to understand and use. Now, creating an animated minimal 3D website might sound daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, it's a breeze. Let's kick off with the first step, planning. Yes, even in the digital world, a good plan is your best friend. Think about what you want to achieve. What's the purpose of your website? Who's your target audience? What kind of content will it feature? Next up is the design phase. Here, you'll need to choose the right color palette, typography, and layout. Remember, minimalism is the key. Stick to 2 or 3 colors and ensure your typography is clean and easy to read. The third step is where the fun begins. This is where we bring in some 3D magic. There are various tools available like 3Js or Babylon Js that can help you create stunning 3D animations. But remember, the trick is to keep it minimal. And if you're thinking, I don't know how to code, worry not. Thanks to the AI revolution, there are no-code tools available that can do the heavy lifting for you. Tools like Webflow, Wix, or Editor X are perfect for creating minimal 3D websites without any coding knowledge. Let's consider an example. Imagine a website for a digital art gallery. The homepage has a sleek black background with a single white 3D animated cube rotating slowly. As you hover, the cube splits into smaller cubes, each leading to a different section of the website. Simple, minimal, and yet captivating. That's the power of minimal 3D website design. To wrap up, creating an animated minimal 3D website involves careful planning, selecting the right design elements, adding 3D animations, and using AI no-code tools if coding isn't your strong suit. Remember, the goal is to create a website that's not just visually stunning, but also functional and easy to navigate. And with the right tools in your arsenal, you're all set to create your own digital masterpiece. So buckle up, bring out your creative side, and dive into the world of animated minimal 3D websites. Who knows, you might just create the next big thing in the digital world.